and it doesn't matter where you sit and how do you speak. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ansika and this is the day 6 of my English speaking challenge. So today I am feeling more confident than before. I was scared to speak English, but now I am trying to speak every day and learning and trying to learn every day. I know I'm slow, but I believe that practice makes will be practice will be makes me better. I know sometimes I struggle, but it's okay. I'm just okay because practice makes me better. I am not hesitate to make mistakes because mistakes is a part of learn. We are just trying to learning. When I can try to speak in English, then why you not? You also can speak in English. Just try. When you start trying, but I mean, just not let be it. You should not procrastinate. You should keep going. As I am, I'm not. I'm no. I'm feel sometimes hesitate a bit because I'm not a fluent speaker and my English is not perfect. Sometimes and sometimes I get confused. At the thing I would like to say to you all that I don't know, I don't understand that how to some people speak fluently in their first or second videos. I don't know. Do you know they are speaking? I don't get that. They are just speaking non-stop. I don't know how do they speak. When I am trying to speak in English, I get stuck and my mind goes blank that what I say, what to say, how to say in English. That's why I'm practicing English and I'm focusing these days of advanced English. I am learning English. I have been learning English since 8th standard and guys, you tell me your thought in comment section that how long have you been learning English. I want to know if you are interested in learning English. Are you interested in learning English? Please tell me. And I'm feeling more confident than before, and this is the best thing I have absorbed. And I am just focusing of improving myself, not to I'm not focusing on people's judgment that people says you let it be and you can't do it, but I'm not listen their words. I'm just do what I want to do. I will do and I will achieve fluency one day. Then I will show them that I can improve. I can speak fluently and I will speak fluently one day. I believe myself and I'm proud of myself that I'm learning English every day and trying to learning new things. If I can learn English, then why you not? Just try to speak and start to learn. Whatever you want, you will get achieve one day if you want. If you never want, you will never achieve anything. In my opinion, I think we should think big. We should make our dream biggest. And sometimes actually, do you know where I'm sitting and I'm making videos? I'm just sitting on stairs. I'll show you. That's it. And it shows like I'm beginner and I'm trying to speak in English and it doesn't matter where you sit and how do you speak. Just try to speak and one thing or more I wanted to share with you all that I don't know how to some people speak fluently in their first second videos non-stop and how do they get topics like for fluent speaking. I think, in my opinion, we should speak in a way that can, so that I mean that. See, guys, my mind goes blank. We should speak like in front of who is in front of us. He can understand our words. We should, in a way. So, guys, this is the days. It was the day 6, and you can see my day 6 of video and how I am learning English. That's it, and you can see I'm stuck and I'm practicing. My mind goes blanks while speaking, but I am trying to speaking, not stop. Say anything what in your mind. When I was speaking in my first day video, I didn't know how to I speak, just because I never spoke English. And I have told you already that I have been learning English since 8th standard, and I knew it English, but I didn't know that how to speak because I never speak. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. If you like my videos, please like, share, and comment. And stay connected, guys. Thanks. And one more thing, sorry. For Thank you for taking your time for watching my videos. That's great for me. If you like my video, please like and comment your thought. See you in the day 7 video. Bye.